Hi, grade 9, multiplying and dividing integers is our lesson. As mentioned before, this small table, it's related to the multiplication and to the division in the same time. So we said that if I am multiplying two positive because they have the same sign, the result is going to be positive. And if I'm multiplying two negative because they have the same sign, again, it's going to be positive. However, if I'm multiplying a positive with negative, because they have different sign, in this case, the product will be negative. Or if I multiplying a negative with a positive, because the sign are different, the product or the result is going to be negative. So you can see here in these examples, there is this dot. It's exactly like the multiplication. So you see dot, you see multiplication, both are correct. And sometimes we write this, instead of inserting some dots, we can write it -2 times -3 times -4. So in this case, you see here negative and negative, they are the same, so the result is going to be positive. So positive 6 times -4. Again, you see here positive and negative. Since they are different, the result is going to be negative, so it's -24. There is another idea about this one. When I multiply -2 by -3 by -4, the idea is that we can multiply the numbers first. So 2 times 3 equals 6, 6 times 4 equals 24. Regarding the sign, we are saying that if the number of the negative sign is odd, like this case, you see 1, 2, and 3. It's odd number, the 3. Therefore, the result will be negative. But if I have multiplication and I have 4 times negative with this way, if I count the negative sign, I will find that it's 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And 4 is even number. If it's even number, right away the result will be positive. So try to have this habit. Count how many times you have negative sign. If it's odd, the result will be negative. If it's even, the result will be positive. Next one, I can write again like that. So I can write 4 times -2 times -1 times 3 times -2. Again here, I can take care of the number first. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 1, 8. 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 8, 48. Now, regarding the sign, as I said, how many times I have negative? Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. 3, it's odd number. Therefore, it's negative. I hope this is clear for us. Now I'm going to go to the next one. And this is a little bit related to multiplication and division. So we can start from the beginning by saying, on the top, I see the negative sign. It's 1, 2, and 3. 1, and 2, and 3. 3, it's odd number. Therefore, the result will be negative. Negative how much? 3 times 4, 12. 12 times 1, 12. 12 times 10, 120. Over. I have the negative signs 1 only. And 1 again, it's odd number. So the result will be negative. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. That means when I have negative divide by negative, as we mentioned in the small table that is related, it was related to multiplication and division. If I have the same sign, therefore I have a positive result, and here it's going to be 12. And the last one, I have here negative 2 times, so 1 and 2. 2, it's even number. Therefore, the result will be positive. 3 times 5 equal 15. 15 times 2 equal 30. Over, again, the negative sign is 1. 1 is odd number. That means it's negative 6. Now, when I divide two different signs, the result will be negative. 30 divided by 6 equal 5. I hope you understood how we do the division and the multiplication for the integers. Thank you for listening.